Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to compare side by side the second version of the DJI FPV goggles and the first one. In case you are not aware, the major difference between these two models is that on the newer version a support for 2.4 GHz frequency has been added in order to support the new DJI FPV drone and possibly future products. Due to that, the V2 goggles are using dual band antennas, and today in this video I'm going to try to find out if this difference has any impact when using the DJI Air unit. In order to conduct the test, similarly like in my previous review in which I tested the iFlight crystal antennas, I placed the DJI Air unit inside this box and mounted it on top of the Mavic Air 2, which are restricted to 2.4 GHz frequency in order to prevent any signal interference. This time, however, instead of controlling the Mavic Air 2 manually and trying to follow the same path, I used the Copter's iOS app, which enables you to set custom waypoints and launch automated missions. This feature was recently added to the app and was made possible due to a Mavic Air 2 SDK update by DJI, and I would like to thank Mario aka RC Shim, the king of antenna tests, for reminding me to check if this feature exists. As for the test itself, I ran the automated flight twice, each time using different goggles, which I placed in the same position, and on both tests, the DJI Air unit was set to channel number 3, high quality 50 megabit per second bitrate mode. Now after this quick introduction, I'm going to share the test and let you judge by yourself if you see any major difference. And by the way, one more important thing that is worth mentioning is that another difference between the V2 and the V1 goggles is that the location of the receiving and transmitting antennas has been changed, which will affect third-party antennas like the iFlight crystal, so I might run more tests and see which combination works better with the V2 goggles. Anyway, now I'm going to wrap up the video with the flight footage, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notifications bell if you're not already subscribed. See you on my next videos, and goodbye.